Hey guys, and welcome back to another dance tutorial here at Learn How to Dance, where you can find step-by-step tutorial of the most popular dances, TikTok dances, Fortnite dances, and other awesome dances. Alright, so today we're gonna do a dance tutorial of how to do the Smeeze dance that is trending on TikTok right now with the song She Gon' Go by Trill. So it's the one that goes boom, boom, boom. She gon' go on the sun on my whistle. Now, before we start, I just want to say that the creator of this dance, Chonkie, has already made a tutorial of it. I'll link to it here. Go watch it if you haven't watched it already. This tutorial is only meant for the ones that are still struggling after having watched his video. And as always, thank you guys so much for all the requests, and thank you, Debbie, for being the first one to request it. Alright, no more talking, let's just jump right into it. I'm gonna start with the leg works, because that is basically the hard part, and then I'm gonna show you some details, what you can do with your upper bodies afterwards, and how you can jump around. And the leg work, I've already done that in a former video, I'll just cut that video clip in, so here it is. Alright, moving on to the legs, which is the tricky part, but you can do it. Alright, so let's start with an exercise here. So instead of jumping on a flat foot, like you normally do, like this, you want to say, for instance, let's take our right leg and go up on our toes. And when I mean toes, I mean this part, all of our foot, right? Yeah, so from the side, you want to do like this. And now instead of just going this, where this is fully straight, you want to go a bit down, because you're prepping for the jump, right? So like that. So you want to say down. So remember, right on your ball of your foot here, and then up. So down, up. Let's just try that a few times. We're gonna count to 8, and then we're gonna say down, up, down, up. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go down, up, down, up. That's time. Down, up. Now, if you feel like it, you can practice that over and over again until you feel comfortable. If you're ready to move on, let's go on to the next thing. So we've just practiced this part. Now, what we want to do instead of straightening both legs, we want to take this knee up before we go down. So during the jump. So like that. So you saw how I pushed up my right knee here. So I'm just going to show you from the side. I want to say prep, jump knee up there. So I can't really do this slow, so I'm just going to show you again. 5, 6, 7, 8, down, knee up. So there's a slight delay on this one. Whoop. So you land on your left before you land with your right. Because then you're taking your right knee up. So I'm just going to show you again. Down, knee up, down. Let's just practice that a few times. I'm going to count to 8 and we're going to go down, knee up, down. 5, 6, 7, 8, down, knee up, down. 5, 6, 7, 8, down, knee up, down. 5, 6, 7, 8, down, knee up, down. Okay, so once you've practiced that at least 10 times more, then you can move on to the next thing, which is a bit more complicated. So now we just did here, land. Now what we want to do instead is say down here, it's still the same. Now instead of raising your right knee up when we jump, you want to raise your left knee up. And then like this. So basically you're switching from this to this when you land. So we're going to say down, left knee up instead. Just going to show you again. So whoop, left knee up instead. And you want to land on the ball of your foot. So that's the switch. So I'm just going to try again. Down, left knee up. So let's just practice with me. 5, 6, 7, 8, down, left knee up. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8, down, left knee up. Alright, so once you've practiced that at least 20 times, take some breaks in between if you need to. And when you're ready to move on, we can combine the two. Okay, so the order is going to be normal, switch, down. So what I mean by that is I'm just going to show you normal, when we land with the same leg, switch, when we switch, normal again, and then switch down, so both of the legs come down. Okay, so let's just practice that part. So we want to say normal, switch, normal, down. Let's try that. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go normal, switch, normal, switch, down. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8. Normal, switch, normal, switch, down. And you don't have to turn like I do in the beginning. You can just stay on the spot if you want. Yeah, but if you want, you can just turn like I do. So 5, 6, 7, 8. We go normal, switch, normal, switch, down. Now, in reality, you have to go right into it, yeah, so you don't take any breaks. So you want to go boom, boom, switch, normal, down. Let me just show you that again. Just gonna exaggerate a bit more so you can see the difference here. So boom, 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 down. All right, so let's practice that. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go normal, switch, normal, switch, down. One last time. 5, 6, 7, 8. Normal, switch, down. Alright, so once you can do the leg work, the jumping part, yeah. Now what you just need to do is be able to move around so you can jump to one side, jump to the other side, yeah. And you basically just need to lean to one side to make it easy for you to jump that way. So you lean to your left, and then you jump to the left, or you can lean to the right and jump to the right. You can even jump around if you wanted. Whoop, 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 whoop. Now, the arms, you can do different things. You can do a swing. So, right up, left down, opposite, 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 opposite. And what I do is, I go 1, 2, that's how I go. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, so I jump to this side. 1, 2, 3, other side. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Another thing you could do with your arms is just having one arm up like this. Yeah, so whoop, whoop. You can switch when you lean to the other side. You could even do a combination of the one before, and then go. Hey! Now, you could even do like our lazy one, so you just swing your arms down here. You could even use your shoulders, so you could go boom, 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 boom. Now, as for the timing, it's very easy. It's just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, for this specific song, She Gon' Go by Trill Ryan, it's just you do 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, in this case, I just do it with my right leg. So I'm gonna jump to the right to begin with. So 4 of these, and then I go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, the lyrics are, so it goes 1, 2, 3 on the boom, 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 and then he goes, go along the sound of my whistle, and so on, whatever lyrics. Okay, so let's try to practice the lyrics. So we're gonna go 1, 2, 3, she gon' go. Yeah, so we jump and go. So let's try that. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go 1, 2, 3. She gon' go on the sound of my whistle, and so on, whatever lyrics. Let's try that again. 5, 6, 7, 8. We go 1, 2, 3. She gon' go on the sound of my whistle, and on whatever lyrics. Alright guys, that's it for this dance tutorial of how to do the Smeeze dance. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time.